Come test drive the 2018 Cadillac CT6. Innovatively engineered and beautifully crafted, the CT6 combines advanced technology with breathtaking design. It is an entirely new, lightweight vehicle architecture for a superb driving experience that is agile, solid, and secure. And every journey delivers the utmost in comfort and convenience, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, floor mats. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.